The Boss Rhythm streaming in stores right now. The Boss Rhythm streaming in stores right now.
Because you don't know you represent for North Carolina State. Big up the North Carolina sound them. Lee Major, come talk to your people because your body's a little tip, you know.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Hold on now, turn down some of that reverb, something there. Yeah, man, please, and thanks. Selassie, Jah Rastafari. You turn on some of that delay there. Yeah. All right. Big up all the people. Let me see me and say, look a bit more. Yeah, brother. Up full. Yeah, man. More. Turn on here some of the. All right. Go and work with that. Yeah, you know. I just want to big up all the people in the place. You see me? You see that youth there when name Star Double R is like is a good troublemaker musically, but a good person. You know what I say? Means good and no mean no harm. But him always inveigle into some things where I like it. Him I put the music to a level where everybody gotta get active. You know what I say? So all of my songs them in North Carolina, I don't want to take it personal and things. It's all about getting you guys active and making your vibes and energy be counted all over the world. Just not North Carolina, but the 52 states and beyond. You know me I deal with? So just embrace the culture, embrace the vibes, and no watch nothing. Big up to all of my people from all over. It's so much things more want to say, but guess what? The Earthruler, you see me I say? So big up all of my people from Jamaica that's watching, my people from UK that's watching, big up all my people that were there, will drive all the way from Virginia, big up Run Tune, big up the Shatter Crew, big up people from Jersey, Coach, you don't know, you know, Kings and Queens, you don't know the big sound, see me I say? Alright? Big up all of my people from New York, will drive in, straight. Big up all my people from the Bronx, all the people from Queens. You see me I say? Big up all the people from what? You know me now gonna forget my place, right? You see me? Right? Big up all the people with us from Staten Island, Long Island. Big up all the people from Jersey. Big up all of my people from Brooklyn. You don't know, you know. Right? So guess what now? All this little lame thing one of them pan, you know. This little stand like on a stand yard, like it's a camp on a run. Some of the man them, I don't know, I don't care to know, but I don't want to sit out here nobody play juggling with the balls. I want people to move around and dance and things. And me forget. Happy Father's Day to all of my father them out here. Gunshot salute. See? And make it be known we shall be valued and we shall be counted and we shall be loved same way like the ladies. You understand? So big up to all of the fathers them. You notice me not say nothing about big up the woman them we are father to. No, me not depend that. Big up to the man them we are father. That me I tell you. So right about now, let me tell you something about me blood don't curse no bad word sound. Play me song.
The song called Earthruler sound is big, man. You like burnt
you
can leave me a youth. You like scarp in a tall time. Original Genesis and blow. Come like them youth and you. Where rhythm shock? They don't know come for slow scene. Rhythm.
Guess what?
Earthruler sound.
Guess what?
Young man say. Champion sound, man. Don't
Guess who are playing a Charlotte tonight?
Well. To the honor, sit up on the waters and wearing the crown. This is the mighty Earthruler come to chant them down before the weekend commercials from the behind the pound. Earthruler sound is big, man. You like burnt you can leave me at your respect time. You like scarp in a tall time. Original Genesis and blow. Come like them youth and you. Where the song called Earthruler sound.
Hold on now. Scorpion, work with that thing. Hold on now.
Don't follow it, you know.
What the name of the sound? What the name of the sound?
To the honor, sit up on the waters and wearing the crown. This is the mighty Earthruler come to chant them down before the weekend commercials from the set. Here before young people, long before
we're underground.
I mean the days of college like that.
All who know Earthruler throughout the years, let me see your hand in the air. Me no care if it's from Brooklyn, me no care if it's from Charlotte, me no care if it's from Raleigh. All of the people, we know Earthruler for years. Let me tell you something about me bad sound, no?
The Earthruler King sound. Easy fire.
Let me tell you something about me sound. Starky, Spracky.
Genius, Kochi. In the early 90s, Starsky and Sprocket. Miller sound in a Brooklyn design, filler kit. The MC Lee Major did well equipped. As a Panamanian, I play reggae music. And the youth where that selected
name Bertie Kill Quick.
And Jacko and Steve make up the rest of the clique.
All the people and from your love your life. And you know, sir, your life. Big up mystery. Cause at the end of the day, when you focus and you have your vision in a life, keep on the course. Don't make nobody derail you. Once you want something in a life, let's go for it. And you know what Earthruler tell the people them say?
Destiny's a hell of a thing, you know. The greatest thing, man.
You see me?
I. Earthruler sound.
Yeah.
Run things now. Vibe is different. Let it go. So last year I know.
All who give thanks.
Destiny's a hell of a thing, you know. The greatest thing, man. I wanna rule my destiny. Earthruler tell the world that I wanna rule my destiny. When we say,
Who is it?
Destiny, mama look from when you call.
Destiny,
mama look from when you call it.
I wanna
rule my destiny.
Slap with that. You see in life, if you not do good, them not gonna talk about you. See? So you have to do good for them keep talking. Cause you have some people in a life, you know, them pray your thing, you know. All of the sound them and all the people who have ambition, you know, make them go and talk. Cause my mother always tell me, mouth make crossway for talk. Don't make nobody stop you. So Quicksilver and all of the sound them boy, yeah, make them go and talk, you know, man. Quicksilver, me tell you about the chicken foot, man. Make it work for you. That me I try to tell you. So you see the one them where I talk against you. Here what you do. Here what you do.
Listen to the hills from whence I help cometh. I help cometh from the Lord God, Jah, the Almighty, who have made the heaven and the earth. Jah, Rastafari, and I.
Who remember when we did fun? I make big and fun. You hear them now? Lee Major sick.
Never say
Something wrong with Lee Major. Why them I tell? Watch out now. Something wrong with me sick. Me sick.
Earthruler keep them talking.
You think me sick?
Oh Lord.
You think me sick?
Bark if you're barking.
What me make them do? What me make them do?
Let them talk, keep them talking. Earthruler, we're gonna keep them talking. Laugh when they're talking. Hey, we've got to let go coming.
All who give thanks for life. We don't know the after life of this life, but we know, say, when we soul, when we body, we flesh leave this land, we want it to go to a higher heights. So with them saying that, yeah. Which part do they go?
To the promised land. Earthruler is going to the promised land.
Remember, ask, yo, song, big up Scorpion. I wall on North Carolina. We love it. Next song.
Uno in the glass by itself, kicking out with Tony Curtis on the showcase. Goes like this.
We're not sending no threat, you know. We're just playing music. Don't play it. Style. Pattern. Remember. That one you call music. Level. You notice to my younger MCs and my ambitious sound personnels. You see how I'm come out and interact with the crowd. Entertainment, vibes, entertainment and vibes mixed with good song. Play me song.
Earthruler sound, yes, man.
Ruler,
Dancehall fans
Ruler, what up?
Ruler, a scratcher, full up, and we drop the munch faster. Ooh, yeah. Ruler, a scratcher.
I want song a play and vibes a beat. Storytelling.
Everybody say sound alone. So last year I live it over time, Earthruler. Run the bar.
And a long time.
What we say?
Never pre the energy. What am I saying?
I think all them are going like them bad so. And over them always end up die zero. Ruler ask them how them are going like them bad so.
You think me hungry? You think me a starve? You think me deprived? One thing about that ex-fat boy, that slim boy, what me say?
Oh, yeah.
Tell us!
Said answer time. Killing your sound was a crime.
All the people that come here with Butcher Bantan. All who say Butcher Bantan, let me say on the end of the year. Flatbush, East New York, 90s, Church Avenue, Brownsville, Bed-Stuy, East New York, Canarsie.
You know killing was a crime. You know them would have murdered me.
Bantan level, let me tell them. When it comes to music, no boy can violate. You know why?
Running up your beat, say you're on the street. Test Earthruler gonna dead this, so we can better go
away. Big up the Warroom ladies. Yo!
Walking through the place, screwing up your face. When we check you out, you is up.
We're not in enough stress with nobody. We're not cuss nobody. We're not taking no violation.
Earthruler no come to take no statement. Better you're silent.
I'm marijuana Genesis.
Hold on, level. Let me take some. Earthruler, North Carolina, one family. You know why?
Top tanana, yeah.
Earthruler, Jamaica. Earthruler, New York. Earthruler, the world.
Real thugs never forget the dumb plan. Now where I come from, yeah. Earthruler never worry about
Never.
We destiny don't plan.
What you say?
Pantana go live long. The other say a judgment road me live on.
Enjoy yourself.
Loud evil.
Let me tell you something.
Tell them no fuck with the gangster town.
New York, North Carolina. One link.
Them coming up with
California.
Wild shot. Earthruler, murder boy and no caring no. Matic plug in 45 change gearing no. Normal show yai ball it fly through tearing no. Them stars sit away can't go repairing no. Gunshot fi boy we can't hear no. Genesis rifle them bust like nuclear no. Even though say Earthruler them have fi fear no.
Pull up that. Yeah man. Big up ladies. Ladies, look up more. We are going in the room and we're gonna have some fun. Right now, we're just playing some music from a gangster friend. I'm a friend them when not hear some songs in a long time from the ruler. Big up all the people that want to watch worldwide and listen to world. Big up Pablo, big up Starkey, big up Enough Respect with the father sprocket, big up the whole team. See me as a yard and abroad. Big up all the people that will not take no check. I will not take no check. Any boy try to give a check, we kick that off and make it no say a bounce check. Run that press.
Yeah, this is the original Dr. Porus and Porus for the Earthruler sound. Anything test, dead.
What we tell him?
You the doctor sound boy, go run on your pooper naked as a day born and beat him on the maze, they would make him a Akam. Original bounty, killer. The girls them thriller.
Real bad man, them boy.
Step cross.
Not no lose.
Earthruler and strictly gunshot fire and people get murdered. Not a mercy. Some guy brother from head to toe, everything them want reap and nothing them do.
But we don't say not take the badness from nobody.
Earthruler for you know bad-minded.
Show it!
When you want to live those things constructive.
Show it!
We now watch no guy business.
Tell the guy say!
If a sound boy try to disrespect, tell Earthruler, lift up with foot, make them step. Like how we carry them one disgrace.
Stop it with Panther, stop it with. Stop it with.
Sound boy, you know fear Earth.
What do I know, sir? And then the Earthruler come out the name to me, sir.
You see that combination now?
No.
People, no care which part, which care, with the business.
Gotta go tell them Earthruler will come for kill your sound. So if they don't know that man, come here for murder.
Song a feature. Where's the camera coming?
Murder in the sound boy.
Yeah.
All who represent themselves.
a champion.
All who represent Brooklyn, let me say another here.
I don't know nothing much about
all who represent Brooklyn.
I don't know about working for the system. I don't know about life on
which part we come from?
Let me tell you about the streets. Ask me about Brooklyn. I know Earthruler, I like the street.
Earthruler Kawa, you get 10 over.
All the people that from Brooklyn.
Like a big race.
East New York.
Cornites. Watch this.
Flatbush.
Oh gosh. Car badness away we know because of Brooklyn. We're gonna chew. We look easy and simple. Easy Delaranks, Daniel, large up.
Which is right. Which is natural.
Watch this. Oh God. Car badness away we know because of Brooklyn. We're gonna chew. We look easy and simple. Not true, every Sunday we go at church.
Hold on there. We're not feeling. Man, some bad gangster friend them. What's some bad gangster friend? Let me tell you.
Bad man, give me your gun, then let me free my soul.
All the body friend them.
Him talk too much, the whole 90s get out of control.
One thing.
Ruler tell them
from Ruler born.
The gun, then let me free my
from
soul.
Ruler grew up.
He's 15 years old.
From Ruler grew up.
Ruler gun get out of
Ruler tell them.
Flat Bushman them bad fan them ban. Rock level leak your dirty mama does
no disrespect.
Come on.
No disrespect to other songs.
Well, I hear for no other sound. Only the only sound for me. Is Earthruler, that good high power. Night and morning. Well, won't you want to hear from another sound? Only the only sound.
Sing up here. What's the control?
Sound the champion sound. Night and morning. Hold me tight, my darling, and don't let me go. Earthruler up there, and it's like a stage show. No, you feel the vibe. I know you don't want to let me go. I know you feel it.
All the people from me believing in the Father, let me say it under the ear. From me know see the Father rule after all blood clot things.
Them don't know what our name stand for. We got my life birthday and never jump a lot up on the wine. Just stop.
This is the one that when I rate the Father and not give the Father him true justice.
I man say love God and prosper with soul will never die. Father God I him I watch over and I whether the praise to Jesus Christ or yes still I see I Earthruler sing free.
Earthruler Foundation song. All the people you ever heard about Dan One Studio? All who ever go on Dan One Studio put your hand here. All who hear about Dan One Studio.
All of the Earthruler crew there, big up themselves.
Some artists here.
Man from church, Flatbush Queen, anywhere in the world on the man come from New York and Jamaica. We sing say, shoot first, ask question after. Sound for dead, no time for laughter. Straight through, them head and heart. Shot drill, bomber run, go right your will. Hey, Undertaker, Madman, the pastor.
Oh, you mean?
Earthruler come take over. Big and Jocko, all of the Earthruler crew them, big up themselves. See?
Yeah, hear me now? Big up all the people that remember that artist here. They used to DJ upon a sound named Youthman Promotion.
We sing say, shoot first, ask question after. Sound for dead, no time for laughter. Straight through, them head and heart. Shot drill, bomber run, go right your will. Hey, Undertaker.
One thing about Earthruler song, we're not frightened of nobody. We defend the world. That's why we name Earthruler. Ruler.
I me them call never happy. Me make duppy. This bad man like a tech man fi classy. Kappa shot up pick you like a big hockey. This with them find her in the gully. Baba da dilly da dilly da dilly. Earthruler lock the city dilly da dilly. Baba da dilly da dilly da.
One thing about that sound of Earthruler, you can never lose off a win.
Earthruler, never let them worry you at all. You can only be yourself, my friend, that's all. I'm so they have said it many times before. I feel them can't follow me, them that's for sure.
All the way, sisters, them sisters song ya.
Start to kill me, kick off your door. Earthruler is always there.
No disrespect. No disrespect, but I realize one thing about me, Lee Major. Me not understand the alphabetical orders when it comes to certain things in life. A, B, C, L, B, G, T, R, T, R, S, T. Me don't know nothing about that. You know why?
Earthruler. Man a bad man, sorry no friend fish. Go tell them Teflon bullet is what will end fish. When me speak, me man clear, me no pretend fish. Them a preach like 7 day Adventist. Earthruler, tell them shut up but them insist. And I'm a chat like
alright, before me let go the instrument, me have to pass it on to the next legend. But before me pass it on to the next legend, let me tell you something about me bad sound. Let me tell you something.
Jordan, Starkey, New York, Brooklyn, Bronx, all in place to enjoy. Easy fire. Hey, hey, when summertime Earthruler and feel on bound them bad. Back them up, all the gate get kicked off. Full of a run,
Well, Olana. Okay. No, no. Let me introduce you to the people, because they don't know you. You know, let me introduce you to the people. Yo, let me introduce you, no? Yo, introduction, people. I don't know if you know him. I know him. I remember him from he was on a song named Emperor Star. I remember him from on a Empire. Run with Father Jeffrey and the rest of the crew when he was a little boy. And I grew up. And he always loved the influence of Earthruler sound, because Earthruler sound was helped build where he lived with his father, Father Sprocket. And then he came to Biltmore Ballroom, Earthruler versus IDs. You believe that? That little kid was friggin' there. And yo, the brother, me not tell a lie. If you don't hear the Earthruler IDs audio, you hear the whole heap of sound effects? That was Scorpion just, like, you know, the kid getting a brand new candy. That's what Scorpion with the holy bar. So, if you don't know him, with no disrespect, my people, let me introduce the legend. He's putting his work. Him not jerk no chicken. Him not roast no pork. But if you violate your neck, he will cut off and you will be no throat. The one and only, let me introduce Mr. Scar. I call him Scorpionox. Scorpion.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna try out for that blouse and skirt, cause it not gonna work. Venom. I can tell you right now, my voice not heavy like female, you know. Alright, so do. My voice not heavy like female. Turn it up a little bit more so I can hear it big. Now hear what? All who say Lee Major go and good say yeah. Big up my brother Lee Major. Original foundation, you know. And I bring me. And that, you know, in a music. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. You know, so we have to wire that and fix that quick up. You know what I'm saying? Big up to everybody on the live. Big up every sound we play today. How much sound play today? Wally. Chung International, because you know, say 15 sound you play, so we have to find the memory for remember which one. Big up Chung International, because you go wicked. You see me? Big up Franchise, because you level the place until King Klepto come level. You see me? Big up every song we play today. Let me tell you something. You see that place here when you have Charlotte, North Carolina? A family place. This is my place, my ground. I see everybody where I said to themselves, you know, say we don't want to see Scorpion no more. You know what I have to tell you now?
Ain't no fucking storyteller. No mercy. Earthruler says a man gonna dead for less than $1. On 2 sheets of cleaner. Long story, bird to kill if he ain't gonna eat. No mercy. Wicked man from TG and bad men from Rima. Bad men from New York and Bronx and Brooklyn and and all over. Right, got it dead like a
level. Level. Everybody that got a hater put a middle finger in the motherfucking ear. What you tell your haters then?
Earthruler, them a go tired to see your face. Comfortable, make them a fight for your space. Them a chat behind me, but not now go put them away.
Driver!
from ruler the boy bright and pasty and out.
Run!
Jump up and say him a murder killer. If out I made him a cocaine over. Well if him think him back tell him put foot in ya. Bad man from jungle or Rima. Long story Earthruler them no hina. Bertie a go murder them be all sheet a cleaner.
Level! Franchise, come here. Franchise, don't fret, come here. You see that thing you call sound system thing? You see when you run out in front of people, me tell you something. You see when you run out in front of people, it's a wicked thing, you know? Because people are going to judge you for everything what you do. Franchise! North Carolina welcomes you because you go on wicked earlier and you go on bad. But every time you forget to root and I shoot off for people, you know, because you see when you shoot like that, you know where we go on?
We have people and they come from Frankenstein. You know?
Franchise! Let me tell you what go on.
So I'll bring this price and we kick off your face. You up easy, we don't wonder. All the New York people and they come from Frankenstein. You know? No response, but anyway.
Turn on!
So I'll bring this price and we kick off your face. You a push off your mouth and you don't know why in every way. I know what I need. Earthruler, bring this grace and you push off them face. Them run off them mouth, them don't know why in your way. I know what I need. To pay. Get this hurt fool, you cannot get embraced. Big clocks, booty.
But don't forget move forward. You see all my girl them come give me move forward. Double R, come here. Double R, hurry up. Me don't want my song them play long. Franchise, big up yourself. You get your forward a while ago. You see that lot here where they are right here, so everybody there. We had this vision for 4 or 5 years to bring this to the level where it is right now. And not a lot of people could have did it. There's only one reason why this youth could have do it. Because film art clean all over the world. All of the people that will respect Double R right now, put up your hand in our ear. You know why we're there tonight?
Hey, one down, one champion, one Earthruler. Run it. Earthruler sound.
We're not reached nowhere yet.
Run it! Earthruler sound! Young million dancing, man.
How much time they have left? 3 minutes? Alright, go.
She's days here.
Run, song!
Hey, one down, one champion, one Earthruler, one champion. One down, one champion, one Earthruler. Never jump on. Anywhere we go, the dance song.
All our respect, Buju Banton, put 200 like blood clot here. You know who they are tonight? You know who they are tonight?
Yeah, bam, 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 don't try answer. This is my sound called Earthruler, don't talk twice. Boy, if you know so who sound is nice. Why don't play a rude boy, bust them gun and girl the giants, man, rush it, man. You like one down, you like blue, you like Jenny.
Next person pull up the song like Badala, me chop him.
Big man. Pantan girl, them cry for you. Worldwide. Earthruler sound.
Kevin, big up yourself. Max 11, guess what?
Yeah, bam, 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 don't try answer. This is the real sound in the Earthruler. Yeah, boom, 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 go suck your mother.
I come from New York City, a place called Brooklyn, New York. But I came from Jamaica. You know what the two places got in common? We're beer hustlers. We get to the fucking bag. Every hustler when they are 200 and blood clot here.
And if you know yourself, don't me to stop on the shelf.
What?
You lost say, how could you rise up every living day? Telling yourself that everything is okay. When you look at life, you see it slipping away. That no cry out to the play. Those who cry for the poor get rejected.
Double R say no, I hear too much dub play to play. But you see when Earthruler come a road,
shot, blood, sweat and tears.
You see when Earthruler come a road.
Second Willie again from Port Ryan.
Driver, you know what we do round here.
Blessing is well said. No. Ruler mash up the town from A to the ground. All the sound them rejoice.
Every man in Carolina will have your own gun. Put your gun on in the ear.
Gun on in the
ear. What we do?
till the band bang, till the band bang, till the band bang. Beat it up till the band bang, till the band bang, till the band bang. Bounce.
With a body blood like oh.
Every man we know you're straight, go on.
Earthruler, we have it power, we have it.
Stop. Don't play nothing more except for the two of them when we just drop in our laptop. You sent a version of it to me. Why? You see me? Not gonna work? We're gonna load that one there? Alright. DJ Panther say, I'm gonna load that one there. So I'm gonna load that one there. Who next sound for play? Who next? You know, the girl them say they walk up and dash out some soca. Come and say, you might take some picture right now. Me don't know it go. Jubidan. All who say them have fun say, yeah. Hold on, man, we don't reach nowhere yet. We don't reach nowhere yet to that party. So, right now, Double R say he wants to see the girl them breast them a shake. He wants to see the girl them body a jiggle. So we go turn up a little juggling, but here we go. Talk to them. Not you, the host.
Yeah. You know you host. Go and go sit down. Drink your drinks and all of us. Say your belly I get big. Should have been a damn chicken. Earthruler, big up yourself. But now I tell the lie when I see Lee Major run out. I seriously them fire scarf. Scorpion, you get back your chat. Scorpion. No, blacks don't get fire already. We have a big back blacks hurt. You're sick here back your spot. Hold on. Black card, one plug in back this up. Yo, Venom. Big up the people, them member. Support the two kitchen them. Yeah, the kitchen over there, so inside you have a next kitchen. You have Miss Glenda and her can soap. Miss Glenda, them free advertisement. You need a soap. That me I tell you. Venom,